How do you pronounce River Shannon? Have you ever wondered how to pronounce the name of one of Ireland's most famous rivers? The River Shannon is pronounced as Shannon, with the emphasis on the first syllable. The first part, shan, rhymes with man, while the second syllable is a soft un, sounding like un. This pronunciation is widely accepted among English speakers when referring to the river. In the Irish language, the River Shannon is called an Seanan or Seanan. The Irish pronunciation can sound a bit different. It is often pronounced as Shinnoon or Shunu. In this case, the C creates a SH sound, and the vowels are softer, which can vary based on regional accents. However, if you are traveling in Ireland, using Shannon will be perfectly understood. The River Shannon holds the title of Ireland's longest river, stretching over 360 kilometers. It begins its journey in County Cavan and flows all the way to the Atlantic Ocean through the Shannon estuary, near Limerick. This river is not just a natural wonder. It plays a vital role in the Irish inland waterways system, connecting various towns and cities along its route. Knowing how to pronounce the River Shannon correctly can truly enrich your experience while traveling. When you visit towns along the river, such as Athlone or Limerick, locals will appreciate your effort to say the name right. It can also help you navigate signage and guided tours, making your journey smoother. The River Shannon is surrounded by stunning scenery, from lush green fields to charming villages. It offers numerous opportunities for activities like boating, fishing, and walking along its banks. The river is a key part of the Irish landscape, showcasing the beauty of the countryside. So, next time you find yourself talking about the River Shannon, remember to pronounce it as Shannon. This simple tip will not only impress the locals but also enhance your overall experience as you take in the breathtaking views of Ireland's inland waterways.